Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about the combination of resistors. Resistors are generally combined in two ways. One is series combination and one is parallel combination. And we will see these combinations practically. First of all, let me show you the resistors what I have taken. These both are of 10 kilo ohm. I'll take the probes of the multimeter and touch the both end of the resistor and I will see it is showing the value 9.8 and another value is also 9.8 as you can see. Okay, this is showing 9.8 because these probes wire also having some resistance, so we will consider them as a 10 kilo ohm. And now let's see how we can make the series and parallel connection first and what will be the effect on multimeter value when we will combine them in different ways. So first of all I am going to take this resistor like this. See, these are the two legs of resistor. If I'll combine this second leg of the first resistor with the first leg of the second resistor like this, okay, as you can see these two are the same line and these are the ends of the resistor. Now let's check the value of resistor when we'll combine them in series. Okay, so I'm going to touch these probes like this and you can say 19.6, the value is doubled. It means you can say when we combine the resistors in series the value gets added and the value of resistance will increase. But if you will connect the resistors in a manner like this, these are the resistor, I'll connect the first leg with the first leg, a second with the second leg, like both the legs I have to connect. Okay, see, as you can see I have connected these two and I have connected these two in the same column. So I have to check the value, so I will insert these props in these holes. So you can say value is 4.9, which is half. Okay, so it means the parallel combination of resistance is used to decrease the value of resistors. Why these combinations are used? These combinations are used if we are having the same value of resistors in a multiple numbers and we have to just find the different values, or we have to use a different values, so we can arrange them in series or parallel connection in order to increase or decrease the value of resistance. Okay, now we will see what will be the effect of these combination on the glow of this LED. Okay, I'm going to put aside my multimeter and let's check. First of all, I'm going to use the simple one resistor for glowing the LED. So we have to make a simple circuit as we are already making. Let me insert it here. Okay, now I have to take this positive end and keep it on my breadboard. Now take the negative terminal and negative over here. Insert the battery. Now use some jumper cables. I'm having this jumper cable, using it on the positive leg of the LED, and now connect the negative with the negative end of the LED. I'm going to choose a blue wire and just let's try to glow our LED. You can see my LED is glowing. Okay, So now we have to use the series combination. So how we will do that? Just remove this wire, arrange one more resistor like this in a series combination. Okay, this is what we call as series combination, as I have shown you. In the series combination, as the value of resistance increases, so let's see what will be its effect on the LED. See, LED is glowing more dimmer. I am showing you again. If I'll remove this and I'll keep it here, LED is glowing brighter, little bit of brighter. And if I'll use it like this, LEDs become more dimmer because these two will add the value of resistance. Now what will happen if I'll use it in a parallel ways? Parallel is this connection is called as a parallel. Okay, now I have to use this wire over here and see LED's glow has increased. Okay, this just reduce the values, means if this 10 and 10 combines in a parallel ways, it gives the value 5. In the multimeter you have seen it is having a 4.9 value. If I'll use only one resistor, okay, again it become dimmer because this is 10 kilo ohm. By using the 2 we are having 5, this is 10. If I'll use in a series ways like this becomes 20 and LED become more dimmer, easier. So in this tutorial what you have learned, the different values of resistors and their combinations. I have used the 10 kilo ohm, but you can use either 330, either 1 kilo ohm, either 100 kilo ohm resistor from your kit box. Okay students, so this is the way by which we can find the series and parallel combination, and we can increase or decrease the value of resistance, and we can easily see the effect of these combination on the glow of LED. I hope you understood this concept. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.